OpenAI is now letting you use ChatGPT to get done with your presentations, meanwhile giving your slides some AI treatment. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The company announced that ChatGPT is now available in Microsoft PowerPoint. The chatbot can create new presentation slides as well as editing and updating existing ones. As with many of ChatGPT's capabilities, it takes action based on natural language prompts or by pulling material from connected services like Gmail, Outlook, or Sharepoint. Right now, the PowerPoint feature is in beta, but most OpenAI users can get to work with it now, including those on the free access tier and subscribers through the corporate-focused ChatGPT business. This is a feature rival Anthropic has offered with its Claude chatbot since September. Google's Gemini, of course, integrates nicely with the company's Slides platform. With OpenAI potentially gearing up for what's sure to be an obscenely valued IPO, it makes sense that the company is trying to offer as many of its competitors' capabilities as possible. PowerPoint was a bit of an outlier since ChatGPT is already up and rolling in several other enterprise tools such as Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. But with one more integration, the chatbot is becoming better and better with each update. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.